It's a top net trade day and ready to play our trader game. Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network News contributor, and Alan Neckman, the chief market strategist for BullseyeOption.com. Round number one, guys, 4th and 1. What's the best trading strategy when you want to show a profit for a year that's been rough?
Well, the strategy I use when I've had some losses and get a little frustrated is I back it down a little bit. And what I do is I sell puts as a way to get a stock that I want at a lower price or get paid not to. So it's a win-win situation. So it has to be a stock that I want to buy if it gets put to me, but it's a more conservative strategy, and it's something Warren Buffett has built billions on.
It's one of the things you want to do is it's options, right? And I think what hedge funds will do is they'll sell option premium against long stocks.
Right.
That way they can collect a little premium, and also too, if you really believe in your positions, it just may be time to double down. But every once in a while, there's no sin in waiting till the right opportunity. So the thing that you have to remember as an investor, just don't try to make it back up to get a win by the end of the year. Be patient, wait for the opportunity. And if you do that, you're going to probably do better off than trying to make up for some losses in a dramatic fashion.
Round number 2, Merry Money. If you had an extra $1,000 to splurge, what big risk would you take in the market?
Emerging markets right now. This is the season to be emerging markets. Send them to the emerging markets right now. These have been beat up. They've been hated. They're out of favor. Nobody wants to touch them in a world of inflation and a world of uncertainty. But now it looks like they're turning the corner. It looks like inflation's starting to level off a little bit, not only here in the United States and around the world. And that means that these stocks are undervalued. Take a look at the South American Rand, for example, the Mexican peso. They look like they're turning the corner. And I think from a big picture, go to the ETFs for the emerging markets, and that might be the way to play this incredible Christmas holiday to get a little bit of Christmas cash for you.
Gee, I don't know. I'm not much of a gambler, but if I had $1,000 to burn, I might look at some obscure cryptocurrency and see what can happen with that. I mean, you can trade anything as long as you can get in and get out of it. So I don't want to discriminate against any opportunities, but I think maybe a better play from a math standpoint would be some natural gas calls for next January, not January of 2024, but January 2025, because a lot can happen in the weather over the course of the year. And you've seen when we've had weather disruptions in the past, with Houston and New Orleans, that natural gas can get above double digits, and that would be a big, big win if you bought some really crazy out-of-the-money options.
Or to the charity of your choice, which is always nice this time of year.
Good point. That'd probably be a better investment.
Giving money to charities is always a good investment. Round number 3, wrap it up. What one stock would you like to own into the end of the year?
ConocoPhillips. They're the energy stock that I think is going to lead the way. I think refining margins are going to be strong in the new year. And energy is not going away. It's performed better than most of the other stocks on the street in the energy space that have really underperformed. And I think they're going to continue to lead the way into the new year.
I think you can repeat that for Phil from last year and the year before, and you're going to be able to repeat what I say right now. It's going to be Apple. I mean, I don't see any reason not want to own Apple. Each and every year, it's a gift that keeps on giving.
Here's your bonus round question for today. It's ticker time, and we are going with a holiday theme. Which one is the fake ticker? Hope, Noel, or Mary, spelled M-E-R-Y?
I say Mary.
Yeah, I think Mary, too. Yeah, the other ones seem legit.
Oh, I was pulling for you guys. A fake ticker is Noel.
Noel? Noel.
You can't spell Noel without no.
Oh, maybe I should send you guys an elf on the shelf. But great job anyway. Business First AM will be right back.